How to disable location tracking on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable location tracking on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Privacy and tap on it. In appearance menu we need to click on option Location Services at the top. If you want to disable location services for all apps, you just need to switch off the option Location Services at the top. And then tap on Turn Off. Also, you can turn off location services manually for some apps, just by clicking on them and choosing Never. And that's all. It was how to disable location tracking on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.